Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get work-from-home Excel jobs. First, you must master core Excel skills. This includes advanced functions such as VLOOKUP, index match, and pivot tables. You also need strong data visualization abilities to create clear dashboards and reports. Furthermore, understanding data cleaning and validation is crucial for ensuring data accuracy and reliability in any project. These foundational skills are essential for securing remote opportunities. Next, you need to effectively showcase your expertise. Create a compelling online portfolio featuring diverse Excel projects. Include examples demonstrating your data analysis, reporting, and automation capabilities. Show how you've solved real-world business problems using Excel, perhaps by optimizing a process or creating an insightful financial model. A strong portfolio acts as your professional resume, proving your practical skills to potential employers. Finding remote Excel jobs requires knowing where to look. Utilize specialized job boards focusing on remote data and analytics positions. Actively network with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and join relevant online communities to discover opportunities. Consider freelancing platforms for project-based Excel work, which can build your experience and reputation. Many companies seek skilled Excel users for flexible, remote engagements. Finally, prepare to ace your interviews and commit to continuous growth. Expect technical Excel assessments and case studies to test your practical abilities. During interviews, clearly communicate your problem-solving approach and how you deliver value. After securing a role, continuously update your skills with new Excel features and tools. Staying current ensures long-term success and opens doors to more advanced remote opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.